and welcome back, everybody. If you would like to tag contacts in WhatsApp group and you are wondering how to do so, in today's video, we will be guiding you through the process. So, without any delay, let's just get started. You can start by opening up the WhatsApp group chat for that, or your WhatsApp chat wherever. Open up WhatsApp application for that first. And once you open up WhatsApp application, you need to go ahead and look out for the chat where you would like to tag someone. So for example, this is the chat I would like to do. So once you open up the WhatsApp group that you want to post in in this chat right here, you can tap on the message input box in the bottom of your screen. And when you uh, tap on it, it will give you option to type in the tag. So you can just go ahead and type in @ and you can just go ahead and select the contact that you would like to tag in the WhatsApp group. You can select from the list of group members that appears. Their name will appear as a blue hyperlink in the message box. For example, this person right here. After you do so, you can just go ahead and type in the rest of message that you would like to type in and then tap on send to send the message. And that way the person will be notified about the contact like tag in your WhatsApp group chat, and that's it. So therefore, guys, if you'd also like to tag contacts in WhatsApp group, you will be following up this process. You may follow up this process for that. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.